Hello everybody, and welcome again to my Dying to Show You channel. Today I'm going to be making Torticas de Moron, but my own version. And this is the book where you can find the recipe for Torticas de Moron. They say it was originated in Cuba, but actually it was originated in Spain. This is the book where you can find it, or you can also find it online. Torticas de Moron is sort of like a shortbread cookie, but I'm going to make a few variations in my recipe. The recipe calls for 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of vegetable shortening. I use this one. And 3 cups of flour, all-purpose flour. Here I have 2 cups, and I have 1 cup here, 3 cups. And in the recipe, original recipe, it calls for lemon zest. I'm not going to put lemon zest in mine. I'm going to put almond extract, and also guava paste in the middle, in the center. So let's start now. So let's put the flour through the strainer. The 3 cups of flour. You're also going to need a hand blender or a whisk. Also going to put the sugar. My sugar got a little bit wet. The cup was a little bit wet at the bottom, but we're not going to let that bother us. I'm also going to add a little pinch of salt. Okay, that should be good. Let me combine. I've been trying to make this recipe for the longest time. The first time I made it, it was a disaster. So I didn't even try to post it. Okay, now let's put the Crisco. Some people also put an egg in it. Okay, now we're going to start at low speed. Scrape the edges of the bowl. I'm not going to clean the area until I'm done. If you have a larger bowl, please use it so you don't make a mess like I'm making. Okay, now I'm going to add the extract. Almond extract. Okay, maybe like a teaspoon or so. Okay, so everything is well combined, and that's what it's supposed to look like. Let's preheat the oven. 350. Okay, heating. Okay, let's get a tray, get a big tray, an oven tray, and we're gonna put some parchment paper on it. The last of my parchment paper. And here comes the moment of truth. So we're going to get, with your hands, with your clean hands, pack it together. Once you have it in your hand, the warmth of your hand, you should let it stick together. Try to make it round. Round like that, and in the middle just a little dent there. Okay, let's make another one. Let's make them a little bit bigger. Just have them in your hand for a few minutes so they stick together. Don't make them too thin. Okay, and remember the center, just press them in so they don't fall apart. Press in your hand and just make a little dent in the center. Let's put them here. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and continue, see how many I can fit in the paper, and I'll be back for the next step. Okay, so here they are. I was able to make 17 of them. There's another way to do it. It might be easier. You knead the dough together and then you roll it out. And then with a cookie cutter, you can just make little perfect squares, round circles, I'm sorry. You can make perfect circles with a cookie cutter. Now we're gonna put the guava paste in the middle. We're gonna cut little pieces of it and put it in the middle of each one of them. About like that. Okay, now we're gonna put it in the oven for 20 minutes. It says from 20 to 25 minutes. I'm gonna start with 20 minutes. Okay, everybody, so here they are. I left them 5 minutes more because I wanted the guava to melt a little bit more. And then that's it. Now they're ready to eat. Let me just let them cool off for a few minutes. So I let them cool off for about 5 minutes. And now let me taste one. Which one should I pick? Let's pick this. Whoa, they're still warm. You see, they're perfect. Nice and brown on the ends, on the bottom. And still kind of warm. Yes. Delicious. Absolutely divine. And the taste of almond, oh yeah, that really makes it. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. And until the next time, may God bless you and keep you safe. Bye bye.